Good morning, everyone. It's Carrie from Garden Rudiments, and I'm out on my patio. I have my umbrella up. It's sweltering out here, but I'm trying to get a video made so that you can see July's Mountain Crest Gardens unboxing. So I'm working in one of my trays today because I'm going to try to plant these up as soon as I get them out of the box. And I'll show you what I'm going to do with them. I'm just going to make a small arrangement. Mountain Crest Gardens always sends their products very well packaged. Beautiful plants. And you always have your cards. It says that I'm going to have a blue atoll echeveria, an Olivia echeveria graptopedilum, a peacock echeveria, and it says Echeveria peacockii, and then a Debbie echeveria graptopedilum amethystinum. All very pretty plants. So you always get a care guide. Tells you your first steps in taking care of your plant. Always keep these. I put these in a folder and keep these as a Mountain Crest Garden folder so that I know what plants I have. These are also guaranteed for 14 days. I don't think I've ever lost any of the plants that I've gotten in from Mountain Crest Gardens. They've always done really well. You might get one in that looks just a little rough, but usually it'll straighten out once it gets watered and gets some sunshine. These are packed very dry. They never come in, you know, wet, moist. They want to ship them dry so that they survive the journey. Of course, with me in Tennessee, they're coming across the country, so. In the wintertime, I have these shipped with a heat pack. Get out all the brown packing paper, and this packing paper is biodegradable. And this one looks like the blue atoll. Very pretty plant. It's very good size. I'll set it out to the side. Now these two, they look very similar, but the color is just slightly different. One of these is the Olivia, and one is the peacock. I would say this one is the peacock based on the color. Two very pretty plants. And I think these will go well planted together. And then this is the Debbie. It has kind of a rose blush to it. So very pretty. And then let's see what's in our bonus pack. This is what I always love about Mountain Crest Gardens. There's usually a bonus plant in here, or two. Oh my goodness. Very nice. So there are two cuttings in here. I don't know what these are. There's some leaves falling off of them. These will actually go great in the arrangement. So these are dry. They've hardened off because they've been shipped. This is probably a 4-day shipment. So there's no problem in going ahead and planting these up. And I'm going to lay these two leaves just on top of the soil mix. And we'll see what we get from this. They should do very well. So let's go ahead and get to the planting. So we'll put our other ones. We'll set these around. Let's take these out for now. I want to get this whole root ball down into the soil mix, and I want to tilt this so it's kind of going towards the side. And this is why I set the tray out. I'm out on my patio table, and we're actually having a cookout tonight with my son and daughter-in-law. We didn't get to be with them on the 4th, so we're getting together today. It's the first time my husband's been home and available for a cookout, and then my son also, and everybody works. So my daughter, of course, lives with us, and she will be here, and my son and daughter-in-law, and it'll just be the 5 of us. As you can see, this soil mix is just really, really dry, and that's the best way to ship them. Have one little dead leaf there, and I'm going to set this in here. And I've kind of fashioned all 4 of these to kind of be tilting out to the rim of the pot. And then these cuttings, I'll put these right back in the middle. That will give me my height as my thriller. Don't have a spiller in this. These are just going to be their home for now. And let's take these back out. I'm going to add my crushed granite. You know that I always like to use crushed granite in my arrangements. I think it helps keep insects from laying eggs in the soil mix. I don't have, it seems as though I don't have spider mite trouble and mealybug trouble when I'm doing this. I don't know if there's any reason for that. Is it just my observation? But it is something that I feel really benefits the plants. It can help hold in moisture, and it does make it a little bit harder to tell, you know, if your soil is real dry. But I actually don't have a problem with that. I haven't had any rot, you know, doing this. So I don't feel like it holds in a lot of the excess moisture. And this is also Miracle Grow potting mix. Y'all know that's what I usually have here available. Okay, and why did I want to go ahead and plant these? Well, I'm really bad about procrastinating. And this might have sat in the greenhouse for months in just those little pots. Well, they always do better if you will get them out of their little shipping containers, and I save all of these. I use them for propagation. No need to throw them away. It's just something else to go in the landfill. And then now, this is done. It took less than 5 minutes. I have my cards, and these are ready to go in the greenhouse. Plants are planted. Don't they look pretty? And now we'll water. Let it all drain in. The soil mix is well draining. And I'm watering this well. The pot has not been soaked in water. When you're using clay pots, it's a good idea to soak it in water because it will pour moisture. It could pull moisture out of your plants and out of your soil mix. So I'm going to water this really well and make sure all the soil mix down in this pot has been dampened. The root balls of these plants are getting well watered. Now the question is, when will I water these again? So it's very humid here, it's very hot. This is going to go in the greenhouse to get a lot of sun, bright sunlight. It may be 2 weeks before I water these again. I will keep an eye on them. And I'm going to let you see that water is running out at the base. So I know I've got water all the way down to the root ball. And now these are ready to go in the greenhouse. They should grow and be very healthy. Thank you for watching my Mountain Crest Gardens unboxing. I hope you got something out of this video and that you'll hit that subscribe button and also give me a like. Please leave a comment. I would love to hear what you think about these arrangements and about my Mountain Crest Gardens subscription. Hope you have a nice weekend, and I'll see you in the next video on Garden Root.